What? You gonna hop on my car?
Hello guys and welcome back to my second video. Yay! Today we will be making a really simple and cute cardigan inspired by this shirt. First, what you're gonna want to do is click on layer, and then add image as new layer. You can use any type of fabric you want. You can get them from Google or Pinterest. There's so many options. What I'm going to do now is resize the fabric so it fits in the torso on the template. It takes me a while to get everything lined up perfectly and I'm always picky about this and I take forever, haha. All I'm doing is duplicating a piece and just making it line up. Next I'm going to be duplicating one of the pieces for the neck part. I resize it to how I like and fill it in the box. Now I'm going to merge the layers on the torso so I can crop it all at the same time. You press merge at the top and then you go to the highest layer on the side and merge down. And this will be a cropped sweater, so I'm going to cut the shirt in about a half. Now the main torso is finished. I'm going to be moving on to the sleeves. I'm going to copy the layer from the neck and resize it to fix in the two small boxes. Now for the sleeves I will copy the layer for the torso and drag it down and line it up. I will duplicate it so it fills in all the boxes. Now for the neck hole. I'm going to press this button and click the circle so I can make it perfect. Once you have the shape you want, you just press delete and remove the fabric. I will also make another cut making it look like an ice cream cone, haha. Next is a slit I will make at the bottom of the shirt. You go to your eraser and select this star shape and resize it. I will erase in the middle of the shirt. Moving on to the button and the flames. I have already downloaded the PNG image, so I will add those new layers on the template. I decided to go with the classic orange flames and button. All you need to do for the flames is resize them how you like and duplicate them to go across the whole shirt. And same with the button. But I also changed the color because the button was blue and not the color I wanted. I clicked the hue/saturation button at the top and I just changed it so it was orange. I made the button smaller, but I drew in some changes to it to how I liked. All you need to do is make any extra changes you want, and we're done with this shirt. Yay! You just need to press File, Save, press PNG, and name it. This is super easy to make, and it turned out so cute as you can see here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful again. And make sure to watch my last video all about templates. Also make sure to like this video and subscribe. And comment what you want to see next. And also to join my Roblox group Slats. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Smiley face.